Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make dhaba-style gravy. First, finely chop 2 large onions and 3 ripe tomatoes. Sauté the onions in 3 tablespoons of oil until golden brown, then add 1 tablespoon of ginger-garlic paste. Cook for 2 minutes, then add the chopped tomatoes and cook until they soften and the oil separates. This forms the rich base. Now, let's build the flavor. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoons of red chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder to the base. Cook these spices for about 5 minutes, stirring constantly until their raw smell disappears. For a smooth dhaba-like texture, you can either mash the mixture well or blend it briefly once cooled. To achieve that signature dhaba richness, stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh cream or plain yogurt. Mix it well to prevent curdling. Next, sprinkle in 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala and a handful of freshly chopped cilantro. Add about 1 cup of water, bring it to a gentle boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Your delicious dhaba-style gravy is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it piping hot with your favorite Indian bread like naan or roti, or alongside fluffy steamed rice. Garnish with a final sprinkle of fresh cilantro or a swirl of cream for an extra touch. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.